Good afternoon, trend traders. This is Dennis Wilborn from the Active Trend Trader with your 2-minute market update for March 31st, 2014. As we move into today's quick session, I want to remind everybody that all materials are presented here for training purposes only, and traders should always paper trade any new method prior to risk of any personal capital. So any observations you see here, they are simply observations and not recommendations. As we get ready to look at the market, let's take a quick peek and see how the indices are faring up today. The March 31st, end of the market, end of the month, end of the quarter. So let's take a real quick look at S&P. S&P, as we see on the right is the daily chart. Got a really nice bounce. It put in a upside reversal last Thursday, continued on up on Friday. We've got a little bit of pushback at the 20-day moving average, and it now has broken through today, broken through the 20-day moving average. It's moving back up into this box that we see here. There's a level of this little support resistance box that we'll see if it can break through the top and continue on to move higher, or if this is just going to be a run back up to the top of that box and then a bounce further down. Moving on to the NASDAQ. The comp's not doing quite as well as the S&P as we found out last week. We're having a real struggle here getting back above the 50-day moving average. It ran right up to it and is sold off slightly. Its sellers have come into the NASDAQ. If we look at the Russell, we'll probably see a little bit the same type of thing that we're seeing from now. The Russell has actually gone up through the 8-day moving average and has started to move higher, and so that's the Russell's now behaving a little bit stronger than the Russell's moving a little bit stronger and acting a little bit stronger. There we go, erase that. Then the NASDAQ, and we're getting a rebound off this lower trend line, and so we'll see where it goes over the next couple of days. As you can see down here on the bottom of the chart, the momentum has started to slope up. Stochastics are starting to also come out of the bottom reversal zone. So we'll see if the market is going to continue on up and hit these old resistance up at the 1200 level for the Russell and some of the other highs for the other indices. I want to invite everybody to check us out at activetrendtrading.com. We've added some new features, and we started a really great webinar series this Wednesday night, and we call it the midweek market sanity check. And what we do on that is we cover what the markets are doing. Then we have a little training session of about 20 to 30 minutes, and our focus for the month of April will be on candlestick reversal patterns. So with that, this is your 2-minute market update. Thanks for listening.